Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about NEET Chemistry questions. So this is part 32nd series. So in that series particularly we are seeing about the comparison of the order of reactivity of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. Yeah. So let's go to the first question now. The question is, what is the order of reactivity of the following compounds towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction for the given compound? Okay, in the given compound, the first one is they have given here, it is a cyclohexane with the chlorine atom here, and here there is a cyclohexane with the one single bond of chlorine atom is attached to it, and here there is a two double bond. Okay, cyclohexane here it is attached with the chlorine atom here. Here this is a chlorobenzene here. So according to that, they have given the order of reactivity in the four options. We have to choose one option from that. Got it? So for that we have to know what is nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are two nucleophilic substitution reactions that is SN1 and SN2 as you studied earlier in the 11th standard. Okay. So for that, see here, this is SN1 reaction here. It is a unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, why it is called unimolecular substitution reaction? Because the rate of reaction is depend only on the concentration of one reactant. It depends on the one reactant only, so that only it is a unimolecular reaction. Okay, so once the leaving group will leaves from the substrate, okay, the carbocation is formed as an intermediate. Okay, then the last step is the nucleophile attacks the carbocation forming a product. Okay, so the what is happening in the intermediate state, the carbocation is formed. No, the carbocation stability is the same way, like the order of stability is the tertiary carbocation is having a more stability than secondary, and secondary carbocation is having a more stability than primary. Okay, so these are the order of carbocation stability here. Okay, come to the picture here. So see this picture, you can be able to understand the nucleophilic substitution reaction. It has two steps here, that is slow reaction and fast reaction also. The substrate, see the substrate here, there is a leaving group they have mentioned here with it is attached to the central carbon atom, right? In the central carbon atom they are having a three atoms here. Okay, consider this L group, this leaving group is Cl. Okay, in the question they have mentioned here, no, in the compound the Cl is the leaving group. Okay, so if you see this picture, see this is L is a leaving group, it will leaves from the central carbon atom, so that only we got this carbocation. Once we got the carbocation, what happened, this nucleophile comes and attacks the carbocation and we got these kind of product. Okay, so it may have the nucleophile come and attack the front side of the central carbon atom, otherwise it may come and attack the back side of the carbon atom. Okay, these are the two products you may get it through the SN1 and reaction. Okay, so this is the way SN1 reaction will happen, the slow step and fast step. Okay, the second reaction is that is a SN2 reaction. It is a bimolecular reaction when the rate of reaction is depend upon the concentration of two reactant. It depend upon the two reactant, so that only it called as bimolecular reaction. Got it? So nucleophilic attacks the substrate and the leaving group leaves from the substrate. This is what happening. So you just consider this is the substrate here. So here the leaving group is attached with the central carbon atom here. The nucleophile comes and attacks the central carbon atom. That means it forms a bond with the nucleophile and with the carbon atom, central carbon atom. Here the leaving group leaves, that means bond breakage is happening between the carbon atom and the leaving group, so that only leaving group leaves and the nucleophile form of bond with the central carbon atom. We got this kind of product. Okay, so this is the way the SN1 and SN2 reaction is happening in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, come to the question now. The question they have mentioned here, we have to find out the order of reactivity for the given compound here. Okay, so this is a cyclohexane. No, cyclohexane is attached with the chlorine atom. So you see this picture here, you can come to the conclusion now. So if you see this picture, it is a cyclohexane chlorine. No, it is attached with the chlorine. No, this is the leaving group. Once it leaves from this compound, what will happen according to the SN1 SN reaction, substitution reaction? So what happened? It will make a transition state. What is the intermediate state of carbocation is formed here. This is the secondary carbocation. Okay. So here there is a leaving group will leave, and here the cyclohexane, there is a single bond, no? Okay, it will form a carbocation here. Here there is a double bond, single bond, double bond here. So there are two double bond here in the cyclohexane here. So this will form a carbocation here. If you come to the last option, no, this compound, okay, what will happen? It is a vinyl chloride. Okay, that means the chlorobenzene, no? So it is a vinyl chloride. The SN reaction, that means nucleophile substitution reaction, is won't happen. Why it is? Because there is a formation of double bond in the cation. Okay, so it is not stable. It won't be stable. It will make a stable cation here. The stability we have seen, that is tertiary is more stability. Tertiary cation is more stability than secondary. Secondary carbocation is more stability than primary. We have seen in the SN1 reaction. But here we can't come to the conclusion that is it is not stable here. Okay, so the vinyl chloride is not stable. The SN reaction is not happening in the vinyl chloride. Okay, so that only this is less stability. It won't get react more. Okay, so that we have to write in the last. So how we can write in the order of reactivity then? It is not stable, no? So we have to write the fourth compound is, it is a more less than other compound. Okay, it is more less. Okay, it is more less than. Okay, first the stability of carbocation is third one, no? Correct. This is more stability, no? Correct. Then the second one, right? The last one is the secondary carbocation. So this is the way. So fourth is less than primary, correct? So this is the way you have to write. The fourth compound is less than first compound. The first compound is less than second compound, and the second compound is less than third compound. So the third compound is having a more reactivity. So this is the order. Third compound is having a more reactivity than second compound. The second compound is more reactivity having a first compound. The fourth compound is this vinyl chloride is, it is not stable, so it has a less reactivity. So this is the order of the reactivity of the particular compound. So we have to choose which option here. So come to the question now. So if you see this option, so this is the answer, no? The third option, the fourth compound is less than first, the first compound is less than second, the second compound is less than third. So the third answer, the third option is the correct answer for this particular question. Got it? Okay. Okay, students, I think you have understood all the question and answer. We will see in the next video. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. Yeah. Thank you.